Challenge number 119, replace all. Implement replace all with parameters s, from, and to, which replaces all the substrings named from with to in the given string s. For example, replace all types with spaces. You replace space with nothing, expect it to be types. Let's check this out. First of all, we check again if from extends empty string. Oh, we got here another crazy error. You're not subscribed to the channel. You better fix that. Then we just return s and don't replace anything. Otherwise, we check if s extends a string in the form that anything comes before the pattern, then the pattern itself, so from, and then anything that comes after. And if that's the case, then we have to run this function again on the string that's left. So then we do the one replacement and create a string with the invert before. Then we replace the from with to, and then we call the function again on the rest of the string, so on the after section. That is the string now, then from stays the same, to stays the same, and if that's not the case, we return s. And that makes all test cases pass. So to quickly recap, we check first, does from extends an empty space? If yes, then we don't do anything because we don't want to replace the empty space with everything, otherwise it just gets inserted into the string. If that's not the case, then we check, okay, do we have the pattern somewhere in the string? So does anything come before, then the pattern, then anything after? If yes, then we replace the from with to and keep the before, because that's obviously without the pattern. And then we run this function again with the rest of the string, the after part. So it recursively gets replaced, but not if the pattern matches again in the before string after the match. It just matches in the second part of the string. And if this is not the case, if there's no match anymore, then we return s. Let me know in the comments what your solutions are. You can check out online solutions here under this link. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.